Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the shampoo for oily hair, oily scalp, natural dandruff treatment for women, men, hair loss products, hair strengthener, itchy scalp treatment, beautiful hair care, clarifying shampoo, sulfate free. Now don't expect this shampoo to perfect your hair in one wash. It takes a long time and a lot of patience. The directions say to work it into your hair and leave it for 23 minutes, and then repeat the process one more time. It feels and smells extremely high-end and luxury, without compromising any integrity and toxicity, or animal cruelty. If you want a natural, not toxic, sulfate, paraben, synthetic fragrance, and cruelty-free, and vegan product for oily hair, this is for you. The company also offers you to try a product with every product purchased on every Maple Holistics box. At other times these shampoos make your hair feel very dry, and your roots are sensitive. If your hair lacks shine, and you think it isn't very healthy, then try this shampoo, and see for yourself. One other minor thing is that this shampoo definitely smells natural, which is to be expected, since it is made out of natural ingredients. This really isn't a big deal, as long as you're not expecting shampoo that smells absolutely amazing. Not sure if that would be the case if you wash your hair every day. Follow the instructions on the bottle for sure. Leave it in for 23 minutes while massaging the scalp. Going straight to the bottom line, the Maple Holistics shampoo does a much better job of relieving the itchiness and the oily hair. It cuts her oil, makes her hair clean, healthy, and has an appealing smell, not medicated. If you have the same problem, it is worth giving this shampoo a try to see if it works for you as much as it works for me. The thing is, this shampoo is called Degrease, and it does that job very well. That's when the search began for a natural and quality product that would work for me. Degrease shampoo was it. Once applied on your scalp, make sure you wait for a few minutes for the product to work, and repeat the process. Sometimes it's not easy to do this if you are in a hurry, but if you don't wait, the results might not be as good as you expect. But you can leave it, and wash other parts of your body, and then rinse. This product is wonderful for an all-natural hair shampoo, and good for those that also may have oily hair. No more itchy, irritated scalp, no more hundreds of dollars spent on products to make it look clean. This really is clean. Results are magnificent. Go by the instructions. Gives new life to hair. No more shabby looking, sticky, over shiny, and oily hair. It seems all shampoos offered today are moisturizing, or for curly hair, for straightening hair, or color-treated hair. True, it's a botanical smell, but more like strong-smelling weeds than pleasant herbs, or flowers. Having an oily scalp is difficult to deal with, so finding the right hair products is really essential. Either way, you won't be spending too much money, unlike other shampoos, if it doesn't work out. Yet even with short hair, after shampooing it often becomes greasy and oily halfway through the day, and an absolute mess the next day. This is the best shampoo for everyone, but especially for people like me who have oily hair. So it is very important for me that the shampoo cleans well enough to last me at least 2 days. The best degreaser is GF Diet, but even diet changes don't make your hair and skin completely different. The after feeling is clean, but not squeaky clean, if that's what you are looking for. Yes, some of the shampoos have seemed to work a day, or 2, and maybe 3, but then disaster strikes. It surely had the right name, and at that point, well worth a try with no expectations. When appealing to the masses, it seems most companies neglect the needs of this group of individuals. One OTC clinical shampoo was helpful, but the effectiveness only lasted for part of the day. She had to go back to regular shampoo, and there was a big difference in her hair. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.